Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to sign up for the Ticketmaster affiliate program, even if you have zero knowledge about Ticketmaster or affiliate marketing. If you want to make money online by promoting concerts, sports, and event tickets, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So first, what is the Ticketmaster affiliate program? It's a program where Ticketmaster pays you a commission whenever someone clicks your affiliate link and buys a ticket. It works globally for concerts, festivals, sports events, theater shows, and so much more. You don't need to own a big website. Even YouTube, Instagram, or a blog works. Commission rates vary by region, but generally affiliates earn a percentage for every confirmed ticket sale. Once you're approved, you get access to special links, banners, and tools to help you promote events effectively. Now let's walk through the sign-up process. Step 1. Visit the Ticketmaster Affiliate sign-up page. Just go to Google and search for Ticketmaster Affiliate Program Sign-up. The very first result from Ticketmaster's developer or partner site is the one you want. Click on Affiliate Partner Sign-up. Step 2, you'll be redirected to the affiliate network that Ticketmaster uses, usually Impact or another regional partner. Here, you'll need to enter basic details like your name, your email, your country, what platform you'll use, website, YouTube, Instagram, etc., and how you plan to promote Ticketmaster links. Don't worry, you don't need a huge audience. Just explain clearly how you'll promote upcoming events. Step 3, submit your application and wait for approval. This usually takes anywhere from 24 hours to a few days depending on your region. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you'll find everything you need: your unique affiliate links, banners, tracking tools, and reporting. You can search for any event, for example, an upcoming concert or cricket match, and simply generate an affiliate link for that event. Copy that link and paste it wherever you promote your content. Step 5, start promoting. You can add your affiliate link in YouTube video descriptions, Instagram bios, blog posts, emails, anywhere your audience interacts with you. Whenever someone clicks your link and buys a ticket, you earn a commission. Make sure you add a short disclosure like, "This is an affiliate link and I may earn a commission." And finally, step 6, track your performance. Inside the dashboard, you'll see the number of clicks, sales, and how much money you've earned. Payments are usually made monthly through the affiliate network. The more popular the event you promote, the more you can earn. And that's it. That's how you sign up and get started with the Ticketmaster affiliate program. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.